to code continue. Okay, this is the first class, let me say the first video of our React tutorial. So we're going to be taking up React.js. So let's see, React.js. React.js was started by Facebook. Yeah, I guess so. Started by Facebook, and so they say React make it painless to create interactive UI, and there's something called SPA. React.js actually is an SPA, single page application. It's used for building XPA, single page applications. So we are going to take you on the steps by step building of a React app. So we are going to start from installing Node.js. So yeah, Node.js. So you just go to the Node.js website, which is nodejs.org, and then you download the latest feature, the latest version of the Node.js, or you can, I prefer the LTLs. Yeah, the recommended one for the users. You just click on it and then you save file. I already have it installed on my system, so I'm not going to be installing it again. So after downloading Node.js, you install directly. And yeah, I guess you just, after downloading, you go double click and install. So let's go on to creating a React app now. So when I'm going to create a folder, I'm going to name it YouTube. Now if you want to check, okay, let me show you. If you want to check if Node.js is already installed on your system, your machine, you open a terminal and then you type node. See welcome to node. If I say console.log, happy, or let me say code continue. Oh, sorry, I typed that wrongly. It's supposed to be console.log. Very sorry about that. See, it says code continue. Now, yeah, you can close that. Command C to exit. Control C to exit, sorry. Yeah, I'm going to close the terminal. So, I've already created like a folder which I'm going to be using. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another folder. I'm going to name it React.js. So here I'm going to open a terminal in this folder. I'm going to open the terminal in this folder. Now to create a React app, use npx create React app. Now after typing it like this, let's name, what are we going to name our app? So begin. I'll just name it shop. Then click enter. So this goes on to create a React app. I'm just going to pause the video for a while, then after it is done, I'm going to continue the video. Okay, that is done. Yeah, so I guess it has finished. Oh, sorry, I'm using Yarn on my system though, because there was a time npm was having an issue, so I had to switch to Yarn. So to install Yarn, you just go to your search bar and type Yarn. So when you type yeah, let me just say Yarn package manager. See Yarn. Go to installation. Yeah, this is Yarn. See. You can use Yarn instead of npm. So I prefer Yarn to npm. So it doesn't mean whichever one you want to use. So before starting this tutorial, I would love to add that you need to have prior knowledge, like a beginner's knowledge, JavaScript, like just know how JavaScript works and stuff. Like, you don't need to be an expert in JavaScript, you just need to know how JavaScript works, and you need to know little HTML and CSS. Yeah, so because we are going to be touching little design, but most of them we are just going to be getting templates online that will work for us, like templates from Bootstrap. We're going to be using Bootstrap. Yeah, so Bootstrap is like, yeah. So now we open our React.js and there's shop inside. So we open our shop, and yeah, this is node modules where all our package that is needed stored. This is package.json, public, source, readme, yarn lock. If you are using npm, this is not going to be yarn lock. Yeah, because it's actually different. So you should know. Now I'm going to open this. So sorry, yeah, you should install Visual Studio to Visual Studio Code. Yeah, I prefer Visual Studio Code though. You can use Atom, most people use Atom, most people use whatever they like, but I prefer Visual Studio Code. So I think it's the best though. If you think otherwise, fine, but I think it's the best. So yep, yeah, just click install and then you install, click download. Yeah, so if you're using a Windows computer, if you're using a Mac, I'm on a Mac, so you just have to click download, then you download and then go straight ahead to install. So I'm just gonna open this with my Visual Studio. Yes, so I'm just going to drag this right here. Yeah, just gonna do like this. Now we have our React app. Yeah, this is our React app though. So we have a lot going on here which we are going to explain very soon. This is index.js. This is the first file that is run when you run your React app. Everything starts from the index.js. If you did HTML, you understand what I mean by index.js, like index.html, sorry. And sorry, my voice is bad. I guess I'm having a little cold. Yeah, it is not COVID-19, so it's just normal cold. Yeah, stay up late. And I'm recording this video by 12:55 a.m. West African time, so I'm making a lot of sacrifice for you guys, so you should enjoy it. Now, this is it. Now, before I start my React app, like what I do is that I go through the whole file like this and I check out. So this is your app.js file. We're going to be breaking this down soon. This is index.js. Yeah, this is very important. This is where everything, like when we start doing Redux and stuff, yeah, this is where our store comes from. Then the store passes to the next to other components. App.js is where we put our routers. Yeah. So now to run this React app, you click Control. If you're on a Windows computer, you click Control backtick. The backtick is the key before 1, the numeral 1. Then if you're on a Mac, you click Command. Yeah, if you're on a Mac too, Command backtick. Yeah, on any system, so use Command backtick to open the terminal. I'm on Bash. Git bash. So I love to use git bash because it's kind of very simple when you're using it with GitHub. So to download git bash, you go to your search bar and type git bash. Yeah, you type git bash and then you open it up. See, then it's git bash for Windows, git for this one. So install. But I use Homebrew to install mine since I'm on a Mac computer. There's something called Homebrew on Mac. So you can actually install Homebrew. Yeah. So when you install Homebrew, you can use it to install other dependencies for your Mac. So what I'm going to do is now look at my package.json. I want to show you something. There is start. This is start. This is on my script. This is start. This build, this test, this eject. So we're going to come back to this, but I just want you to know the start here. Start. Yeah. So when I click anything here, let me say it goes to this node package or JSON and runs that start. So I'm going to say yarn start. So when I click yarn start, this is what happens. Yeah, it's building everything because this is the first time I'm running it, so it is actually building everything. I'm going to say, would you like? I'm already running a React server because I have a project I'm working on currently. So I'm running a React server on the port 300. So React basically opens on port 300. So I'm running a React server on port 300. So it's asking me, would you like to run the app? And I say yes, please do that. So it opens up my browser directly, and I guess the React app comes in. Like, I don't know why it's taking so long though. So I guess because it's the first time it's doing so, or maybe I have a lot running on my system. Currently, I have SQL Workbench running, I have Visual Studio running, I have Visual Studio Code like 5 instances. I have a lot. I have like React and I have my Node.js server running. So yeah, we are going to touch Node.js in this channel, on this channel too. So you should stay tuned. So yeah, so this is my React app. So I guess we are going to stop here. So in the next class, we are going to continue another thing. So thank you for watching. See you in the next class.